to get this.
Come on, it's perfect.
First bite of the day here.
Hell yeah.
Going up for taxiing out to take off.
Or just goes to a club that really appreciates I'm back.
See how much air you can get. Uh-oh.
Let him get up first. Oh, it's Kenny.
Yeah, it was Kenny's. That's a beaut.
Okay.
There he goes. Getting up off the tail off and... Oh. There we go. Look at that thing. That's a beautiful, beautiful biplane. All right, now we got a B25 Mitchell coming up too.
But not the new. Yeah. Really?
As an E-Flight model, so it's electric. Won't hear much engine noise out of that, but she is beautiful looking.
They've been showing up. Oh, okay.
There she goes.
Okay, because we bought advertising. We spent a couple $100 for the first one, and we're like, we're not doing it again. Yeah, you did show up on. Okay, cool. Probably because I've got like 7.
There's that B25. Gorgeous. Now behind me to the right, there's a very rude, loud airplane, looking beautiful. The Bravo 1 Futaba. It's a gorgeous looking low winger. See if we can get this taken off here. Final control checks. Yep. Yes, it does. Yeah, that's a real gas engine right there. That's. All right, so then he's going to taxi this thing out. Come on, there we go.
I think they've made any hot dogs yet.
Oh yeah, I think so. Pretty soon. They're making food very soon. They've got some stuff. There's even Sloppy Joes this year.
Take it off.
All right, here we go.
Hurry. Go.
Yeah, look at that bad boy. Nice.
Yeah, exactly. It's the same thing. Those are all nitro cars. Well, this was back in late 70s, so they weren't nitro yet. They were still running high octane.
Oh, look at the smoke systems on. Nice. Leaving trails. Very cool. There goes the B25.
Oh, hey, we got parachutes.
Oh, parachutes. We dropped parachutes from the B25. Look at that.
On the field.
There's our friend with the smoke machine. Look at that.
You know what I'd like to see what that was?
Which one? Oh, hold on a second. Let me get this guy. We're going to come around. Yeah, look at that. They are just cruising up there today. Carl's out there cleaning up the paratroopers. Oh, there's the B25 again. That's who dropped the parachutes. And I missed the parachute drop. Getting takeoff. Alright, we're coming in on the approach here. Yep, hold on. Let me get a couple landings here. At least one. I think the biplane is coming in. Somebody's on the approach here.
It's clear. Coming in.
Alright, let's see who's landing. Oh, I think the B25 is coming in. There we go, I'll get him. There we are. Nice touchdown. Nice job. Looking beautiful. Oh, here comes there's the biplane. There, oh, there she went.
The
Looking good. And here comes our other buddy, Smoke Machine. Oh, let's follow the trail, shall we? There he is.
Smoke looks like it's running low.
Oh, he just turns on and off. That's very, very cool. Oop, very neat, very neat. All right, we'll catch you again for another one.